In this video, we're going to guide you through how to make a new drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, if you want to create a new partition or split your storage into multiple drives, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's jump straight into it. First, open File Explorer and click on this PC from the left-hand side. Here you'll be able to see all the drives currently on your computer. Now open the Start menu and search for Disk Management. Click on Create and format hard disk partitions. Once Disk Management opens, scroll down to the second section where all your drives and partitions are displayed. To create a new drive, we first need to free up some space from an existing partition. Find the drive you want to use and right-click on it. Then select Shrink Volume. Windows will now calculate how much space can be shrunk from the drive. In the box provided, enter the amount of space you want to use for the new drive. For example, entering 100000 will create roughly 10 gigabytes of space. Once you've entered the amount, click Shrink. After a few moments, you'll now see unallocated space appear in black. This is the space we'll use to create the new drive. Now right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next. Click Next again to use the full amount of available space. Now choose a drive letter for your new drive. You can leave it as the default option if you want. Click Next. Make sure the file system is set to NTFS and then click Next again. Finally, click Finish. Windows will now create and format the new drive. After a few seconds, your new drive will appear in File Explorer and be ready to use. And that's how you can create a new drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials and PC tips.